Rhea. If this is your first time on my channel, then I am Rhea. I will post a picture of me waving at you in a minute. Hi, I am Rhea. And by the time you finish watching this video, I hope that you subscribe and be a returning subscriber. And if you are already a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing a plan with me. I told you guys a couple videos back that I was going to show you guys how I plan my weeks out. So today is Saturday, but when you see this video, it will be Sunday. So I wanted to, usually I plan on Sundays, so I wanted you guys to see, you know, it'll post on Sunday. So today is Sunday if you're watching it, I guess. If you're watching it on the day that I post, you get what I'm saying. But I already kind of pre-did the stickers because I didn't want the video to be super duper long. But yes, let's just get right into it, you guys. This is my Happy Planner book for homeschooling. So you see it's Homeschool August 2021 through July 2022. It has this stick girl and it says look on the bright side. So let's just go straight to October. I've already kind of started, but this is not what I'll be doing this video, but I kind of started already decorating it. But I have not even done my class overviews, my grade trackers, reading lists, or anything. I just started focusing on this only. All right, so I have the planner up on the screen. So a lot of you are probably wondering, well, they give us a planner online. Why do you have to put it in an actual planner? Well, I put it in an actual planner because I like to see it, I like to touch it and see it hands-on. Now, believe it or not, I used to be virtual, but once I got my hands on Happy Planner, I've been happy planning everything. Like, I have my budget planner. This is like my personal life coach planner. And this is my goals journal. So I've kind of just been happy planning it up. Just get into this video, you guys. I don't want to make it super long. Like I said, if I can get this back where it's supposed to go. There we go. All right, so we're gonna be doing Kayla first. So I already, oh no, so it got wet. Oh, okay, so I already know that Kayla has a Monday morning mingle. So that's why I put but first. So she has, I'm gonna put Monday morning mingle at 10:30. All right. So she has that every Monday. All right, and she has language, but it's completed already because it was a 2-day lesson from Friday. So I'm not even gonna put that on here because I don't want to confuse myself. And she has math. So I'm gonna write math. Break apart numbers. And this is a practice and a quick check. No, this is a quiz. She has a quiz. I was supposed to, okay, so let me just take this off. I messed my own stuff up. So this is her quiz here. It's cricket. See, I had it all planned out. So we can just do that. And we can do this, numbers. Breaking apart numbers. Math. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use my own. I'll go to quick art markers. All right, so then she has science quick check. And this is a quick check. I'm into quick check, practice, quiz. Then she has reading eggs. So I'm gonna put reading eggs up here at the top because it's nothing that she has to, no assignment. It's just to help her read. And I will give you guys an update on that and let you guys know how she's doing. For Tuesday, she has a reading lesson with Miss Lake. And it's a live lesson at 10:30. And then she has language arts quick check. I'm just gonna put reading eggs right here to get that out of the way. She does that every day. And then she has a language arts quick check. Oh, I almost wrote under the wrong one. She has a quiz that day too, so let me do this. Math. Part 2. Practice and quiz. All right, and then she has language arts. And it is a quick check. And then she has social studies. I just put SS and it's a quick check. Okay, for Wednesday, she has a language arts quiz. And then she has reading aids. And then she also has math and social studies. Hope you guys were able to see that. Math, and that's a quick check, and social studies, another quick check. And then Thursday, and if you guys don't know, Friday, October 8th is a professional development day. However, Kayla does have a dentist appointment, but I just kind of filled that up with stickers. So for Thursday, she only really has one thing to do as far as she has a math lesson. So we're gonna list that as a priority. Oh, that's so cricket. Math live lesson at 10:30. Okay, and then I'm gonna put reading aids right under that. Okay, and then she has a math quick check. And then she has PE, no, science reviews. I'm gonna put that right here. Science review. She also has PE and language arts. So PE, language arts. And then she's done for Friday. She said, it says she has a small group on Friday, but I doubt it because that's professional development day. But yeah. Okay, so for Kayla, important assignments that she has, it's going to be her quizzes. So I'm going to write that here. And then she has a math quiz. Those are going to be her two most important assignments. I don't want her to forget green. Don't want her to forget reading eggs and reading lessons. No, her reading lesson, it's a live lesson at 10:30 on Tuesday, and then her math live lesson Thursday at 10:30. Okay, her weekly focus, I'm gonna put reading eggs because that is definitely a focus for her. Sight words. All right, and then activities is gonna be reading eggs. All right, so we are done with Kayla. This is currently what it looks like. I wonder if they have something for the weekend. So let's put the alphabet like that, and then an apple. And then, is it gonna come off or not? It says books are magic. We'll put that here, and then aspire to inspire. Oh no, I grabbed the wrong sticker. Hopefully it sticks back. All right. Yeah, okay. Maybe I can use a pencil and put that right there just to cover that space up. Is there any pencils? I thought I seen one. Oh, there's a crayon. We'll take it. It's cricket, but it's still cricket, but I tried. All right, so now we're going to move on to Nisi. Let's start with Monday. So Monday she has PE first thing in the morning at 9. So but first, health and PE at 9 a.m. Live lesson at 9 a.m. She also has a quiz that day, and it's math. Okay. What else does she have Monday? She has 4 quick checks. So art, and it's shapes, quick check, and then she has language arts, and that's a quick check. And then she has science, and they're going to be talking about soil, and that's a quick check. And then social studies, Western agriculture, quick check. Okay, so that's it for her on Monday. Tuesday, oh wait, she has another live lesson. Okay, so we're gonna have to put you here. She's gonna have to get another one. How did I skip that? And she has gaming club. Okay, so social studies live lesson at 11 a.m. So from 9 to 10, 11 to 12. She has 6th grade counseling, but I would let her decide if she wants to go to that. And then she has the video gaming club at 2:30. I'll write that in red. At 2:30 p.m. Okay, so Tuesday, she has small group RTI. So this is a priority. Live lesson at 12:30. And then she also has, which is also a priority, math live lesson at 11 a.m. Okay, so that takes up that. So for Tuesday, she has all quick checks. I'm going to go ahead and start writing them in. She has internet safety, quick check. She has language arts, and that's a quick check. And then she has math. They're gonna be doing fractions. That's a quick check. And then she has science, chemical, and that's a quick check. Okay. Wednesday, she has language arts live lessons. Okay. Then she also has, I'm just gonna put it as appointment. She has a counseling live lesson, and it doesn't say optional, so I'm just gonna put appointment time. So she has a language live lesson at 11 a.m. And then she has 6th grade counseling. And this is at 9 a.m. Okay. So for Wednesday, she has art again. And it's a quick check. She has math, and that's a quick check. She has science and social studies. It's a quick check for both of them. All right, so let's move on to Thursday for her. She doesn't, oh, she does. Okay. So she has 3 live lessons on Thursday, but she only has two quick checks. So I'm gonna put those down here. Math is a quick check, and then science is a quick check. Okay, so for her, this is multiples. And then that's plate boundaries. All right, oh, I hate when it bleeds like that. Okay, so first, it says the math tutoring is optional, but I make sure her butt is in it. Because there's nothing wrong with extra help. So, math tutoring. And then a lot of times people have to pay for tutoring. So if you can get it for free and it's being offered, yes, definitely go. She has a science live lesson. at 11 a.m. And then she has a small group for math. So tomorrow, so Thursday would be a big math day, I guess. And it's at 12:30. So for Nisi, let's see, important assignments are going to be her math quiz. Yeah, I think she just has her math quiz. And then don't forget, I don't want her to forget her art small group in her math tutoring. Her weekly focus is going to be on language and math. Activities, oh, well, she has her video gaming club. All right. So on Mondays, I kind of go over the week with them so that they will know what is expected of them. Even though they can see it on the planner, I feel like they don't really pay attention to it. So on Mondays, I kind of, really every morning, I kind of go over what they have for today and kind of give them a guide on what I feel like should be a priority and what should kind of go last. So really for Kayla, reading eggs is probably going to be the last thing. For instance, okay, so for Kayla, do your Monday morning mingle, all right? And then after your Monday morning mingle, my next thing that I would say would be to do her science. And then after she does her science, work on her math quiz. Since the quiz is going to hold more weight than the quick check, I want her to spend much more time on this, as much time as she needs. And then after she's finished with that, she can do reading aids. But that's normally how it goes. And for Nisi, of course, her health and PE live lesson. And then I would want her to, because that ends at 10, so she has an hour, so she can work on 2 quick checks and knock those 2 out. Then jump into social studies. After her social studies live lesson, I would jump into social studies to do the quick check, then knock the science out, and then do her math quiz last. That's kind of how I tailor our days. I hope this helps someone who is looking for ways to plan and get things more streamlined. This has definitely helped me out a lot. So if I could help someone else get things more streamlined, if they're just now starting homeschool, or should I, let me correct it, for somebody corrects it for me down below in the comments, virtual public school, this will definitely help you out. So like I said, I hope this helps, and let me know in the comment section below if you use Happy Planner, and if you do, or if you use any planner, just comment below and let me know how you do your planning. If you do videos on it, let me know that also. Or you can shoot me a DM on Instagram and show me some pictures. Just want to put this up there because it is October, so yay. Stick here. It really look better there, but it's too big, so we'll just put it up right there. All right. So if you've made it all the way to this part of the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Let's comment some pumpkins. Can we do that? Can we comment pumpkins? Something dealing with October. You can comment coffee, like put a coffee mug, and you'll know the reason why in the next video. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.